Good morning, everyone. It's a blessed Sunday, the 5th July 2026. Time is about 9:56, and I'm heading to Coimbatore Bike Gallery to meet one of my friend Sharan, because he wants to fix a top box on his Speed 400, and I'm planning to purchase a seat cushion for Triumph and a portable stand for chain looping. So I picked up a new DJI Mic Mini, and I'm just testing it with the DJI Action 5. Now with the visor closed, I'm just trying to test the audio quality to see if it picks up both my voice and the exhaust note. first time I'm just ripping it hard on 4th gear, otherwise I'll be on 6th by now. And man, this is really, really exciting and fun. And the exhaust note is pure music to the ear. Just curious to know how the mic captures this exhaust note. Crosswind. It's a windy day. Weather is not that hot. Pretty cool climate, but quite windy. I can feel the bike cutting through the wind. And sometimes due to the crosswind, I feel the bike is being pushed to the left. Boy oh boy, this is a pure joy to ride ECBR 60R. The Japanese masterpiece. The only downside of riding this hard is the mileage would drop down to 18 to 20. Normally it will give you about 22 plus, or at least about 20, even if I ride little hard. But I say little hard, I've been riding on the 6th gear, but today I've been riding in 3rd and 4th. I think I'll have to test my air pressure. The air pressure looks alright. I think it's the wind that's pushing me. Some guy is waving at me. Definitely a pleasant weather to ride, but it's too windy. On the way to Coimbatore, that's after Kolpalyam and near to Kalapatti. We're going to meet another friend, Praveen, who's got an R3. And I'm just meeting him for the first time. We've been chatting on Insta. So it's going to be a meet and greet over tea. This could be a lengthy video, but I'm sure you will enjoy the POV video, point of view video. Range was showing about 214 when I started home. It's just been about 25-30 kilometers, and it's already showing at 172. Normally it'll be around 190 plus, because I would ride a little insanely, and today I've been riding a little insanely, enjoying the pure power, the sound, and the handling of this beauty, Japanese beauty. I have insane power, a twist of throttle. You just need to be careful, responsible, not to disturb any oncoming traffic or fellow travelers on the road. It's easy to be getting carried away with this power and trying out stupid act of overtaking. So you gotta act with maturity.
I'm loving this. It's been quite some time I've ridden hard like this. I mean, it's not really hard, but for this road, I would say this is not the right speed and right riding style. But I'm riding with caution. So my wrist want to give it full throttle. I'm just controlling it because of the environment. Though it's a Sunday, roads are pretty empty, but you never know. You have crazy people on the road who just walk, crossing the road like it's a walk in the park. Oh yeah, people taking their own sweet time to give us way. Hope this video comes out well without much of wind noise. roads like this, you just gotta be patient, and when you have the opening, you make the right move, not the stupid move to risk your life and the fellow riders, drivers on the road. Wonderful. They've laid new roads here. Broader road. It was all a mess a couple of months ago, with roads being narrow and road extension work was going on. And now this is one amazing road. And I'm sure this will reduce the traffic in the stretch. Full volume. So we gotta take this left here. I think gonna make a call to Praveen to see where he is. So I guess this is a point we gotta meet. Quite a ride, quite